as I'm sure you gathered from the caption of this video, we hurt a motor. We hurt a motor pretty bad. So here we are. Yep, we got a race car with no power plant in it. It's never a good look, right? So yeah, we're gonna kind of get into that. I didn't get any footage of pulling the motor out of this, but it's out nonetheless. It's over at the shop. We're gonna get tearing into that. So stick around and show you guys some of that. I'm also gonna show you guys a bit of what happened before she went, right? I mean, it was everything was going quite well for us, actually. So as you guys seen, I mean, the first quite a few laps of this feature, the car felt great. Plenty of power, no issues. I mean, just seemed to pull right away, as this motor usually does when it runs well. But so as you guys notice here, the car starts to fade, and it fades pretty quicker than, you know, a driver error would fade. But at the time, I didn't think much of it. So we had a caution. I didn't get any footage of this, but we had a caution, and they actually allowed us to have tires, fuel, anything we wanted in down in the infield. So at one of these cautions, I actually pulled down into the infield. Gonna do a tire change because the car was fading bad. They pulled my right rear tire off, and it was blistered. It was shot. The track had so much rubber in it. I mean, it was everything you could take, or it would take. So we put a right rear tire on. I go to the back. I drive back up. I'm sitting probably top 5. So I'm like, all right, no problems. It was just a tire. I lost a tire, so I'm going to continue to run it. Well, then the car started to fade again. Well, my assumption was the same thing. Oh, I'm losing a tire again. No big deal. No harm, no foul. I'll just continue to run it. You know, we don't need that tire. It's So as I felt that something was majorly wrong, that's when we got the big old smoke show, as we called it. Yeah, not definitely not great, but lesson learned, I guess. Sometimes it's better just to pull off. Yeah, we had a pretty good weekend going, so we thought maybe we'd be able to pull out the win for that feature, but just wasn't for us. I'm glad we got to come home with some hardware. Some of the cooler trophies I think we've gotten here. So I guess that motor went out with a bang, I guess. Yeah. Well, we're in the shop doing what no one likes to see. Engine on the stand. Well, I guess they always say they run the best before they go. Well, this one went, so we're gonna get her tore apart and see what's savable, what's not, see if it's something we can put back together or not. So stick around, we'll get her tore apart and see what we can find. got the heads off. I don't know if it's better than I thought or worse than I thought. This motor's blown up too many times to tell, I guess, but let's go ahead and show you what happened. So, yeah. We grenaded a piston. Pretty good, if I do add. Gonna have to take a look at the rest of them here, see how bad. I don't know if I can just get away with just one piston, or I know I can't see it there now, but got a few dings on the pistons. I'm gonna have to consult with somebody smarter than me, find out. But yeah, I mean, there's just stuff caked on there. She melted her, boys. Melted it. So yeah, that at least now we kind of know what we're working with. I think the bottom end was fine. It was still running when it blew up, so. Alright, taking the motor from this to this. Just a few short hours. Well, we got everything all set up. These nice fancy trays. You can put every lifter where they need to go. Keeps everything all nice, neat, and organized. As you've seen, the damage on that piston. Go ahead and show you that again. Now that we have it out. This is what we got. Alright, well, as you've seen, we got that motor tore down. That piston is awful. As far as I can tell, I think we just leaned her out a bit too much. Never noticed the issues for the heat race and the Friday night special. Obviously, those were a lot shorter races. I don't remember if they were 8 or 12 laps, what they were, but they were very short races. Car never, really run hot or nothing for those. But that feature was a 50-lap feature, and so definitely notice if you got a problem with a race that long. So now that we got that motor tore down, it's off to the machine shop now. After looking at some of them other pistons, them indents that we were seeing, they actually crushed the ringlands. So I'm just going to go ahead. We're going to get another set of pistons coming. Everything in the cylinder bore actually looks like it's more on the bore, right? The aluminum melted to the bore, or melted and adhered to the bore. So hopefully we don't need to go up another piston size and have the whole thing bored and honed. Hopefully we can just do a quick hone job, get that done. Set of pistons, check the heads out, make sure those don't need much. I got a little bit of cleaning up to do on that cam. I noticed some aluminum flakes from piston. They're actually on that cam. So with the way flat tappet cams are going, I need to try to preserve that camshaft the best I can. So we'll spend some time cleaning that up. I don't know if I'll show you guys much of that. Well, I think that's it for this one. I'd like to do some more videos of getting that motor put together once we get it back from the engine shop. I'll keep you guys posted on that. If we find anything else majorly wrong with it that needs to be tended to. But yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. Don't forget, hit that like, follow, and subscribe button. So you can stay up to date on what we're doing over here at Weber's Garage. Hope everyone's staying safe out there, and we'll see you on the next one.